Hello everyone. Creating a spinner in Excel is quite useful when you want to allow the users to select a value from a predefined set of options. First, go to the Developer tab, click on Insert in the Control group, then select the Spin button from the Form Control section. Click on the cell where you want to place the spinner. Right click on the spinner and select Form Control. In the Control tab, click on the cell link and choose the cell where you want the spinner value to appear. Click on OK. Similar steps need to be followed for all the cells. Now you can use the spinner to change the value in the linked cell. As you click the up and down arrows on the spinner, the cell value will increase or decrease according to the settings you specified. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.